Hi, today I will show you the 7 easy side parting open hairstyle. Hello everyone, it's Mim here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna start my first hairstyle. After making side parting of my hair, I'm gonna take a small section by section part of the hair and twist it up to my middle eyebrow. By losing some front of my hair, I'm gonna clip the hair with bobby pins. And then I'm gonna bring out some hair on front of my face. As you can see, it has become a nice poof on my front, and this is it, my first hairstyle. Now my second hairstyle. This time I will take a medium sized part hair from front and clip it behind my ear on both of my sides. As you can see how I am doing. Actually it gives a flat look from front, and this is it, my second hairstyle. Now my third hairstyle. This time I will show you a trick to achieve a nice side poof very easily. As I am gonna take a small part of hair from my front, then I will twist it only 3 times, and by holding a small part from the twist with my one hand and then gonna push it forward by using my other hand. And then after adjusting the front part, I will clip it with bobby pins. As I will do the same thing on my other side also. And this is it, my third hairstyle. Now hairstyle number 4. This time I will do the parting slightly diagonal, as you can see. And I'm gonna take a big bunch of hair from both of my sides and use the same trick like before to achieve an easy poof on my front. Oh wow, it has become a really big poof, but I'm not gonna keep this much big. I'm gonna keep it as much as I need it. After adjusting my front hair, I'm gonna clip it with bobby pins. And I'm gonna use the same trick on my other side also. And this is my fourth hairstyle. Now let's start hairstyle number 5. This time I will take a part from the middle and will give a slight teasing by using a teasing comb. After twisting it, I'm gonna clip it with bobby pins. Same way, I will also tease the front part, and by twisting it, I will overlap the corner side of the back parting poof and clip it with bobby pins. Same thing I will do to my other side also. Here, as you can see how both sides front part has overlapped the back poof corner. And this is it, my 5th hairstyle. Now hairstyle number 6. This time I will take my crown areas here and for a while I will clip it away by using a claw clip. Now I will take a small part from the front and make a rope braid. After making the rope braid, I will loose the front part so that it becomes a small poof on my front. And then I am gonna clip it behind my crown area. Now under the rope braid, I will make another rope braid, and again I will loose the front part to make a poof, and then I'm gonna clip it behind my crown area. Same way I will do 2 more rope braids to my other side. Making this 4 rope braid, I will take off the claw clip and spread the hair so that the hair falls over the middle of the rope braids. And this is it, my 6th hairstyle. Now the final hairstyle, hairstyle number 7. This time it has been seen that after making middle eyebrow sides front poof, our above the hair looks flat. But with this hairstyle, it won't gonna happen. As I will use my 2 fingers and by folding above it, I am bringing remaining hair to the front, which is supposed to be on the back. Now I'm gonna secure it by using bobby pins on both of the sides. So as like this way you will achieve a front poof, plus your above the hair will also remain fluffy. As you can see, this hairstyle even hides the bobby clips. Same thing I will do to my other side also. This is it, my final 7th hairstyle. I hope you liked all of my 7th hairstyle. If you really did, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time, and till then, bye.